You got your meal plan, you did your grocery shopping, but you get home and you don't have what you need to put together healthy meals. Here are my 3 kitchen essentials that every healthy eater needs. Hi guys, I'm Sean LaFlock from Flock Fitness, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. There's 3 kitchen items that are essential to anybody who's looking to start a healthy eating routine. First of which is having yourself a good, sturdy, sharp, and resilient chef's knife. The knife that I have here is a 9-inch chef's knife from WÜSTHOF. I've had this knife for actually 15 years now. I got this right after I graduated out of college, and it's done me service ever since. When you're looking for a chef's knife, you want to balance out the price with the value. This WÜSTHOF knife, when I bought it back in 2008, cost me about $200, and it's lasted ever since. The nice thing about the WÜSTHOF blade is obviously the ergonomic design, so it fits nicely in your hand. But the other thing that it offers is great steel that's resilient, is not prone to chipping, and also holds an edge, okay? And that's the difference between a quality blade and one that's a discount blade, like a Cuisinart or something like that you can buy for $20 from Walmart, is that a knife like this is gonna hold its edge. So after using it for chopping and cutting over and over and over again, the blade really isn't gonna dull all that much. So it's gonna hold that edge, and really all you need to do is put it over a honing blade, and that'll keep it as sharp as you need. And then every about 6 months or so, you can either get it professionally sharpened, or you can sharpen it yourself using some whetstones. Every healthy eater needs a good non-stick frying pan. Now this is a 10-inch frying pan from T-fal that I got from Target for about $20. Now the reason why you want non-stick rather than a steel-bottomed or a cast iron is when you're thinking about healthy eating, you want to use as little extra fat as you can in order for you to cook your food. And when you're doing non-stick, it's going to be a lot less likely to obviously stick to the bottom of the pan, whereas if you're using something like cast iron or steel, it's going to stick unless you actually coat the bottom of the pan with a good amount of oil or fat. So this allows you to drop the calories, and it allows you to cook your food so that it's tasty every single time. The last thing that every healthy eater needs is a crock pot. And this crock pot is from Gourmia and is actually also a pressure cooker as well. So if you are well versed in pressure cooking, you can use those settings too. The nice thing about a crock pot is that you can throw a bunch of ingredients in here, set it to slow cook, do that in the morning, and by the time you get home from work, you've got a complete meal ready to go. The other bonus about using a crock pot is that you can have multiple servings at once. So whether you're making chili or stew or something like that, you can do like 4, 5, 6 servings, and then you can store the rest in containers that you can use for lunch or dinner throughout the week. My favorite recipes here are chili, stews, chicken soups, and I'll even do meatballs in this thing, which are absolutely fantastic. So every healthy eater needs a crock pot. It is gonna save you time, it is gonna save you money, and it is gonna save you a lot of stress. If you need any of these items, I've actually linked them down below in the description. Now, when you're down there, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you learned something or you liked it. Lastly, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel and helps us grow the flock. Hopefully after watching this video, it's gonna be a little bit easier to eat healthy and clean. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.